This breadboard setup is running a complete temperature monitor. The LED color changes with temperature, the display toggles between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit, and it was all generated automatically by AI. I saw this post on Reddit, a student struggling to build a temperature display project with RGB LEDs, a button, and an OLED. They spent hours wiring, debugging, and fighting errors in Thonny, so I decided to solve it, using Embedible. I just told Embedible what I wanted. No code, no schematics, just a natural description of the hardware setup. In seconds, it built the wiring diagram, connecting the sensor, OLED, button, and NeoPixels, all automatically. Then it wrote complete MicroPython code with debounce handling, I2C setup, and NeoPixel control logic, all ready to flash. So if you're tired of rewiring and debugging like that Reddit user, try Embedible. Just describe what you want to build and let AI handle the rest.